Hello, my name is Stanley Ugagwe and welcome to today's commentary on what is going on in Nigeria. This is the News Chronicle. So it was reported earlier in the news that the wife of the Nigerian president, talking about Remi Tinubu, has invited the 109 members of the Nigerian Senate for what they called a dinner, and this was actually disclosed by the Senate President Godswill Akpabio. And when I actually came across that report, the first thing that came to my mind was, do these people actually read the room? Like, do they read the room, or they are just unbothered, unconcerned, or rather not concerned, or they are just wicked? Because I am just wondering how, at a time that a nation is grappling with the peak of insecurity, that the zenith of insecurity, the wife of the president, the Senate, they are talking about dinner. What dinner? What dinner exactly? To do what? And now, what thing that is troubling about this is how the Senate president, usually presents some of these things. For me, I think he does it to spite the Nigerian people that, oh, since you people cannot afford this, allow us to enjoy ourselves. Because what did he mean when he mentioned that the senators should come and to go and enjoy a sumptuous meal? And then I asked myself, what happened to the ordinary Nigerian? And since at least November 17th, thereabout, in Kebbi, in Niger, in Nasarawa, and thereabout, over 100 people, particularly students, have been kidnapped. And all over the country, people are living in fear. Even to go to worship centers, people are living in fear. And in the midst of all this, the only thing that could come to these people is to want to organize a dinner where the Senate president is talking about having a sumptuous meal. And even if they want to have most, despite Nigerians, by letting us know that, oh, they want to go and have sumptuous meals. And then I am asking the wife of the president, when is she going to invite poor Nigerians? When is she going to invite vulnerable Nigerians to come and have a sumptuous dinner at the Aso Villa? Because at the end of the day, every Nigerian is entitled to what is coming out of the treasury, what is going on in Aso Rock. How can such thing, how can they want to organize a dinner and then they are literally mocking Nigerians at a time where the tension is so high, at a time where insecurity is all-time high, at a time where bandits are having a field day in kidnapping people in their farms, on the road. However, I am just bothered, I'm just concerned, and I'm just wondering if truly we have leaders in Nigeria. And it's really sad that we are at a point where there's no Nigerian governor who can speak truth to power. There is no Nigerian senator who can speak truth to power. Even the judiciary, everyone is dancing and singing, on your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate, where do we go from here? Your Excellency Remi Tinubu, when are you going to invite poor Nigerians for a sumptuous dinner?